Flowcharts and pseudocode work really well in certain situations, like when you have a defined task that needs to be completed and or your program follows a simple logical flow. Think something like a wizard. However, in today's modern computer application, users perform things out of order because they can with a graphical user interface, or GUI. As a developer, you and I have very little control over a user's actions. User stories are often seen in agile programming, and a lot of companies have moved to agile programming for their developmental process. So there is a strong chance that you will see user stories in your career if you choose to go into programming. Think about something like Microsoft Word. Will the user type next, print? Are they going to copy and paste? Will they insert an image or a chart, or maybe delete a section? As a developer, we will never be able to determine the next thing a user is going to do. So instead, we'll use user stories to plan out an application. A story is written by a project manager or team to describe what they want a user to be able to do. It might read something like, a user should be able to click on a location with a mouse and then insert an image at that location in the document. Or, a user should be able to copy a selection of text to the clipboard for use in the application later or a different application. Now, this may seem kind of like pseudocode, but notice that they're very, very vague and there's very few steps. It's basically saying what the expected result should be, but not how to do it. Pseudocode should never be this vague. User stories are designed to give that 30,000-foot overview of the features. The idea is that the project management team can figure out all the things that a user needs to be able to do and then hand that off to the development team. A developer on the development team will then take these and break them down to smaller steps through pseudocode or a flowchart so that they can verify what is needed to be done and then write the code to make it happen.